Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here at PANATTONI CAFE, once again having Panattoni sponsoring the Coffee with Craig show this week, and we had some, of course, great coffee, great breakfast to start the Coffee with Craig show. And so anyway, Winston, let's kick it off with the headlines, yeah?
Thanks, Craig. Yes, so BNP Paribas Real Estate is asking, is Poland's investment market turning a corner? Immo Finance has sold some office properties in Warsaw. Deutsche Hypo has financed the Gdansk office property, and Event Hall has opened at Norblin Factory.
Ooh, so a lot of interesting things. Event Hall, I was at the grand opening party. Very nice, big hall. So a lot going on. We've done a few Coffee with Craig shows, some interviews. We have a couple more weeks left available before summer. So if you'd like to do an interview for the Coffee with Craig show and be our partner for the week, let me know. Also, we're already booking September, October, November for the next quarter. So let us know if you would like to be in. Two big events coming up. We've got our CEE Investment Awards, October 29th at the Intercontinental. That is filling up, and we have a few more days for you to book your corporate tables or tickets to get our early registration discounts. I think we have till the 20th, and today is the 17th, so a few more days on that. Also, October 15th, we have our CRE Awards in 2 weeks before in Budapest at the Intercontinental Hotel in Budapest as well. So that's also filling up fast, going well. And we just finished the Intralon conference, which was last week. Very nice group of people going and a lot of fun. Anyway, Winston, sounds like we have a lot of interesting things on the headline. Let's take a break and come right back with the news. So welcome back here at the Panattoni Cafe, and Panattoni sponsoring our Coffee with Craig show this week. Winston, let us know. Very exciting headlines there. How was your weekend?
Yeah, it's a pretty standard weekend. Very enjoyable, very relaxing. Good. So can't argue with that. So we'll start with BNP Paribas Real Estate, and they're expecting the investment market is likely to bounce back in 2024. Last year, investors sat on the sidelines, and largely due to high financing costs and the geopolitical instability in the region. The war in Ukraine has really challenged the market, especially on the investment side, with transactional activity being down as a consequence. Sure. Mm-hmm. And in addition, the market is facing lots of pricing mismatches between vendors and buyers. So that's just delaying action these days.
Absolutely.
And BNP Paribas say, however, expected to see a significant rebound this year. And Eric Drucker, CEO of BNP Paribas Real Estate, says, in Poland, where the letting market remains stable and relatively little repricing has taken place in comparison with other European countries, most investors and banking systems are unlikely to experience difficulties with refinancing commercial real estate loans. Countries facing the biggest challenges in this respect include Germany, the Nordics, and France. In this area, Poland seems to be sailing on relatively calm waters. You were on relatively calm waters last week, weren't you?
We were on it, Lake Ilava. It was very calm waters, and good to hear that they're going to bounce. That the investment market is going to bounce back in 2024. Usually, right. We're hearing more 2025, 2026. So maybe they've got some news that we don't know about.
Well, they like to keep it positive, keep it positive and keep the outlook
absolutely
encouraging. Remaining in the investment market, and in Warsaw, Immo Finance has completed the sale of an office complex to Echo Investment. The transaction was around 29 million euros, and the property is located in the Mokotów Business District and has around 43,000 square meters of space. And according to Immo Finance, This sale is in line with their strategy of optimizing their portfolio. And according to Radka Doring, member of the board at Immo Finance, we are pleased about the successful sale as part of our portfolio optimization program, and we'll reinvest the released liquidity in the value creating expansion of our innovative office and retail solutions.
Great. Oh, there's a deal right there.
There's a deal right there, and yeah, they seem to be releasing quite a lot of office properties, and I think a lot of it is going maybe into retail for them.
Yeah. Well, if there's someone selling, there's someone then buying, which is also important. Yeah.
Moving to the north of Poland, in Gdansk, Deutsche Hypo has financed the Gdansk office property format for the Greenstone company. The financing volume is around 31 million euros, and the project was delivered in 2022, and it offers around 16,500 square meters of letting space, which is almost fully let, and the property has received a LEED Platinum certification, which these days is very important for getting those investment deals over the line.
Yeah, Platinum not easy to get.
Yeah, Platinum top of the range, I would imagine. Yeah. And according to Beata Latoszek, head of the Warsaw representative office at Deutsche Hypo, with Format, we are financing sustainable office properties in the main office district of Gdansk that is very well connected to public transport. And just going back to the first article, and I think the more your property is sustainable and following green ESG principles, then maybe it's easy to refinance and sell on.
The fact they're getting a bank loan on an office project just shows that there's quite a bit of office still moving around and positive.
And finally, for today, event hall is opened at the Norblin factory, and so you were there, Craig, and it's offers 670 square meters of specialized outfitted space, and it's designed for up to 500 guests. So pretty impressive venue, yeah.
Big venue, nice lighting, nice sound.
Something that you would think about organizing an event in yourself?
I might go to some events there myself, but yeah, there could be, if you're a big cocktail party, very nice. Or if you're doing a product launch, I think it's more like for product launches, fashion shows.
Right. I mean, it sounds quite substantial here, up to 500 people.
Yeah, it's big. It's big.
And just to conclude on that news, and Kinga Nowakowska, management board member of Capital Park Group, says there's no shortage of event venues on the map of Warsaw, but we are certain that Norblin Factory has the power of attraction, and the facilities available on site will appeal to many companies and event organizers.
Well, it's also just a great place going to Norblin, right? If you're at the conference, not a bad spot to pop down for either some quick fast food or.
Yeah, it's really vibrant this time of year as well. It's great down there.
Nice place. So I think even just organizing an event there, people might want to come to it.
And sponsors might want to sponsor it.
But I think you'll see a lot of product launches there, a lot of fashion shows there, that kind of stuff. That's the sort of style I would imagine we'd be good for. So that's all we have for this morning, huh?
Those are the highlights for today,
A lot of exciting news. Thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show today and kicking off our week, and we'll see you tomorrow with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.